Okay, brace yourselves. This is one of those court hearings where everything goes downhill fast. Our main guy is accused of violating nearly every condition of his probation. And wait till you hear how he defends himself. Spoiler, it's not convincing. Let's dive in.
4-3, State of Texas versus Isaac Chavez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Doug Campbell for the defense, ready.
And are you Isaac Chavez?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Isaac Chavez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 1943 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty grade 2, 4 to 200 grams on April 15, 2024 for a period of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
On or about the 22nd day of June 2024 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Isaac Chavez committed the offense of evading arrest or detention of the vehicle in violation of condition number 1. Your Honor, do you want me to read all of these and then allow Mr. Chavez to give his plea
All right.
total or each one individually?
All right. Let me ask Mr. Chavez, with regards to the alleged violations of conditions, there's a violation of condition number 1, 2, 8A, 14C, 14Z, and number 34. Are you pleading?
Now pause. Did you catch that? Chavez is pleading not true to the violations. Then literally seconds later, he pleads true to multiple ones. Mixed messages much? Let us know in the comments. Do you think he's confused or playing the game?
Being true or not true to those allegations?
Not true.
To all of the allegations within the motion?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Then the defendant is pleading true to violations 1, 2, 8A, 14C, 14Z, and 34. All right, State, do you have witnesses?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, State, you can call your first witness.
What can you do with Bear County adult probation?
Supervise cases and
I'm sorry, you're gonna have to keep your voice up so the court reporter can hear.
sorry. I supervise cases, make sure that they're following the conditions. And
There is a microphone in front of you. If you would put it up to the microphone so the reporter can hear you.
sorry.
Do you supervise a person named Isaac Chavez?
I do.
Is that Isaac Chavez with Bear SID 1158-016? Now, on June 22nd of 2024, did Mr. Chavez make an admission to you regarding his use of alcohol?
On June 24th of 2024, that's when I met with him, but he did admit that it happened on June 22nd, yes.
And when you say it happened, you mean that he consumed alcohol?
Yes.
Now, Mr. Chavez had a number of conditions of his supervision. Among them was to...
So far, Chavez was supposed to go to 60 AA meetings. He did 8. Required to show proof of a job, didn't. Register for court-ordered drug classes, nope. Living somewhere, no proof. This is a legal version of a student forgetting every assignment all semester.
complete one AA meeting per day for 60 days.
Yes.
According to your supervision of Mr. Chavez, how many AA meetings per day did he complete?
It was more so one per week.
And how many in total?
8.
Did Mr. Chavez provide proof of employment or SSI within 30 days of his release?
No.
Has he provided any proof of employment?
No.
Did he register for or attend a drug offender education program?
No, no verification has been provided.
Now, did you give him a referral for a drug offender education program?
Yes.
Did he provide any documentation that he registered for it or attended?
No.
Did Mr. Chavez at any point provide proof of residence?
No.
Passage, Your Honor.
Defense?
Ms. Nicholas, were you aware that Chavez was living at 8603 Cape Valley?
Yes, he let me know that he was living there.
What more proof would you need than his word if he was living with a parent or somebody else?
You said what more than his word?
Mhm.
Usually, if they're living with parents, the parents need to write a letter stating that he's living there with a proof of one of their bills.
Did you tell him that?
I don't recall.
Did you ever go out there to see if there was any proof that he was living there?
No.
With respect to the once per day for 60-day Alcoholics Anonymous classes, are you sure he was aware of that?
Yes.
How are you sure he's aware of that?
His conditions were read to him in court, actually, by the CLO.
And at the time he went on probation, he was 19 years old.
I believe so.
Have you ever, in your dealings with Mr. Chavez?
This back and forth is interesting. The defense is suggesting Chavez is just a confused kid. But probation says, nope, he understood. He just didn't do it. What do you think? Should youth and immaturity be a pause for compliance failures?
Had the thought that perhaps he might be a little bit immature,
I mean, yes.
and as a result, do you think that maybe he didn't fully comprehend what was being told to him?
I wouldn't say didn't fully comprehend what was being told. It's just maybe more so of kind of just taking his time with it. I mean, I'm sure he fully comprehended what was needing to be done.
As a now 20-year-old, he probably has a little bit more sense of urgency on needing to get these done, especially since we're here in court, right?
Yes.
Were you aware that he was working at Willie's?
Yes.
And you say he never gave you proof. What steps did you take to try to verify that he's working at Willie's?
We normally ask for proof of employment.
Did you discuss that with him?
Discussed it, yes. I didn't document it though, coming out.
Did you tell him, hey, when you really need proof?
I didn't make it an urgency thing.
Okay.
With you.
And then with respect to his drug offender class, having dealt with 20-year-olds before, and certainly somebody who lives with a parent at 20,
Mm-hmm.
do you think maybe he was waiting for you to do something? No. You think he was fully aware that he needed to take that extra step and set up the class himself?
Yes, because we provide the verification, let them know, like, hey, go through the list, figure out where you're going to go, and register. That responsibility is totally on him.
Okay. And you say that Isaac had admitted to using alcohol as a 20-year-old to you.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think he benefits from perhaps some additional classes on the dangers of alcohol and drugs?
Yes.
Do you think... Now, there was a report written for the court, right?
Yes.
Did you write that report?
Most of it.
Most of it? Do you agree with the recommendation for this particular person?
No, not necessarily. For the younger probationers, I tend to be a little bit more compassionate, give chances, hope that they'll learn better. So I wouldn't say no.
Do you think Isaac should have another chance at trying to be successful?
This is huge. Probation is saying on the record that despite his screw-ups, they still believe he deserves another chance. And that compassion, it's rare in hearings like this. So you've got to wonder, is that mercy or just being too lenient?
His community supervision?
Yes.
Why do you believe that?
Like I said, I just try to give a little bit more compassion to the younger ones because they're a little more respectfully hard-headed, and it takes them a little more tries to get it right.
That's especially true with male defendants or
I would
clients,
say all
I
of
guess.
the younger ones.
Yeah.
I wouldn't specifically say male, all of the younger ones.
Okay. Do you think he can be successful now that he knows how serious this is?
Yes.
Why do you believe that?
This is his second MTR, I believe. But I think at this point, we know to be serious.
All right, it's his first MTR.
First, in this case.
In this case, yes, sorry.
Yes.
Thank you. I'll pass the witness.
Any other questions?
Yes. Officer, do you have a copy of the court summary in your hand?
Yes.
Can you please turn to page 3?
Yes.
Underneath the field marked justification, there is a signature line that says Community Supervision Officer. Is your signature above that line?
Yes.
Would you please read the recommendation that is above that signature line?
It says revoke, no offenses, and non-compliance.
And below that is justification. Would you please read the justification?
The probationer bonded out on new offenses, and he has not reported to probation since bonding out. The probationer has not shown a valid effort to comply.
Now, as part of your duties, is it your responsibility to proactively investigate the information that a probationer is required to produce to you?
Yes.
Yes. So, for instance, if a probationer is required to produce proof of employment, are you obligated to go out to his potential employer and get proof yourself, or is he responsible for providing it to you?
Oh, he's responsible for providing it. We don't go out to the employers. I could always ask the field team to do that, but they're responsible for providing verification.
And for proof of residence, it's the probationer's responsibility to provide that proof to you, correct?
Yes.
And for proof of attendance at Alcoholics Anonymous meetings, it's the probationer's responsibility to provide that proof to you, right?
Correct.
Same for registration and attendance at a drug offender education program. It's their responsibility to provide proof, not yours, right?
Correct.
So, on or about the 24th day of June 2024, did Isaac Chavez...
All right, folks, here's where it gets real. We're hearing testimony from an officer about a welfare check that turned into a traffic stop, and it ties right back to the alcohol violation. This isn't just a missed appointment anymore. It's a pattern, and the court is watching.
Provide proof of residence as required under condition 8A.
No.
On or about the 24th day of June 2024, did Isaac Chavez provide verification of Alcoholics Anonymous meetings as directed by the court, as required by condition number 14C?
No, no.
On or about the 24th day of June 2024, did Isaac Chavez provide proof of registration for or attendance of a drug offender education program as required by condition number 14Z?
No.
On or about the 24th day of June 2024, did Isaac Chavez show proof of employment or SSI within 30 days of release as required by condition number 34?
No.
Is Mr. Chavez prohibited from consuming alcohol under the terms of his supervision?
Yes.
Is that under condition number 2?
Yes.
Did Isaac Chavez admit to consuming alcoholic beverages to you?
Yes.
Did he admit that he consumed alcohol on or about the 22nd day of June 2024?
Yes.
I believe was a welfare check, what it came up as on the CAD system, to go check on, or I'm sorry, that was your question. Yes.
Yes. And the location to which you were dispatched, that was in Bear County?
Yes.
And when you arrived at the dispatch location, what did you do?
I observed a car on Huebner Road, just on the street. The light was green, but the car was parked, or it seemed to be parked. I don't know if the driver's foot was on the brake or if it was in park, but they were stalled in the middle of the road as if they were parked.
And can you briefly describe this vehicle?
The vehicle was a Lexus, 4-door vehicle.
Do you remember what color it was?
I don't. I know it's on my report. I put it down. Was I supposed to have that with me? Sorry.
That's okay. So, upon seeing this vehicle, what did you do?
Well, because of the notes in the system, I activated my red and blue lights, and I got behind the vehicle to initiate a traffic stop.
Did you get out of your vehicle?
I did not get out of my vehicle at that time, no.
And what reaction, if any, did the operator of that Lexus have to you activating your patrol vehicle's emergency overhead lights?
Initially, the operator of that vehicle did nothing. When my partner got out of the car, along with another officer that also pulled up to that traffic stop, they both got out of the car. I was about to get out of the car, but then the vehicle suddenly drove forward and it stopped in the middle of the intersection of Heber and Bandera Road.
What happened next?
What happened after that is we all got back in our vehicles. We both got closer to the vehicle. Then we tried to get out again. I stayed in my car at that point. I didn't get out. And again, the two officers, the one in my vehicle and the other officer, got out to try to make contact with that person again, and that vehicle fled and evaded. So at that point, I told dispatch that I had a vehicle evading arrest.
And at that point, what did you do?
At that point, dispatch asked if I was in pursuit. I said no. So I was still behind the stopping point for that road. So I abided traffic laws and I waited for that light to turn green. That way I could turn.
Now, a short while later, did another officer communicate to you that they had detained the vehicle?
It wasn't communicated, it was observed. Because I could see it. It wasn't very far at all.
Okay. Was this vehicle the same vehicle that you earlier observed and that sped away from you?
Yes.
What did you do upon relocating?
Upon relocating to that vehicle?
Yes.
Oh, well, again, my lights were already off. So all I did was, as soon as the light turned green, I turned left onto Bandera Road and I got next to because my other officer, he had initiated a second traffic stop. He initiated his red and blue lights again on the same vehicle, and I stopped with that officer to try to initiate contact again.
And did you initiate contact with the operator of the vehicle?
Yes, eventually, because again, the other officer made that second traffic stop technically, and then we took him into custody at that point.
Did you identify the operator of that vehicle?
Yes.
How did you identify him?
We asked him for his name eventually.
And what did he say?
He said his name was Isaac Chavez.
Did he provide a state-issued ID of any kind?
I don't recall.
Did he give you a date of birth?
He had to have, yes.
Let's not operate under assumptions.
Yes, he did.
Okay. Do you see the operator of that vehicle in court today?
Yes, I do.
Would you please point him out to the court by an article of clothing?
He's in black pants and a gray dress shirt.
Now, after you detained him and began to interact with him, what observations, if any, did you make?
He appeared to be intoxicated.
Did you observe the odor of alcohol emitting from his breath?
Yes.
Did he admit to consuming alcohol?
Yes.
How much alcohol did he claim that he had consumed?
Initially, he claimed that he only had one drink, but upon further questioning, I asked him, okay, what did you drink? And he said he drank Modelo and Smirnoff, so it didn't make any sense.
Did you make any other observations about his physical appearance?
Yes,
What observations were those?
he appeared to have urinated on himself.
Is that the only other observation that you made about his physical appearance?
Other than his glossy red eyes, he appeared to have soiled himself and the odor of alcohol on his breath. No, that was about it.
Did you ask Mr. Chavez to submit to standard sobriety tests?
Yes.
And what was his response?
His response was he wanted to speak to a supervisor first.
Did you call the supervisor?
I did.
And did that supervisor appear?
Yes.
Did that supervisor speak with Mr. Chavez?
Yes.
And after speaking with that supervisor, did Mr. Chavez submit to standard sobriety tests?
No, he refused.
At that point, what did you do?
We formally told him he was under arrest for evading and DWI. And we read him his rights. And from there, we transported him back to our police department.
Thank you. Pass the witness.